Hi, how are you doing?
Good, good. What's going on? What can I do to help?
Very good, man. I just called you 3 weeks before. I have the what's it called, asylum pending, and I just filed what's it called, my VAWA filed
you have an asylum
years
pending,
ago.
and you just filed the VAWA. You're breaking up, so I'm
Yes,
trying to
sir.
get you. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you say I asked you I can fly to India because I have the advance parole.
Correct.
But my what's it called? The asylum is the on the asylum office is not in the court. But my lawyer, he already filed a letter to USCIS for the withdrawal the asylum, and my asylum get withdrawal. So now I can fly, or what do you think?
What do I think? I think you'll go. You'll be able to come back. But I think that if you travel and come back, if I'm your immigration officer who's interviewing you, I'm going to say, why were you terrified to go home 3 years ago or 4 years ago when you filed? And now as soon as you do your VAWA, you're not as scared to go home anymore. Seems like you lied on your asylum application. And I'm going to ask a lot of questions about that. And if they determine that you lied, they're going to, charge you for misrepresentation.
Okay, so it's still I have to wait until the VAWA gets approval and gets the green card and better fly, right?
I would wait until you're a citizen, but I'm not your lawyer. Better be safe than sorry. All right.
All right. Thank you, Ben. Appreciate it.
Hello. You're there. How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yes. What's going on?
Yeah, I have 2 questions. So, a citizen filing for 4 daughters and 1 wife in Nigeria. What is the priority date and those filing?
Well, there's no priority date for a wife because the wife's an immediate relative. For how old are the daughters?
So one of the kids are 21. She already passed 21.
When the application went in, were they all under 21?
No, the application just went in.
Okay. So over 21, you have about a 6-year wait. Under 21, they're immediate relatives with the spouse.
So is it they're going to do the adult kids different from the...
Correct.
Oh, so they would just take that one out of that bracket.
What they're going to do is, well, everyone's going to have a separate application filed for them. Because if they don't have a separate application, then they don't have anything going. And one group of people are going to be in the immediate relative category. Immediate relative means there's no waiting time. As quickly as you get the petitions approved, you can get visa appointments. That group would be the wife of a U.S. citizen and children under 21 of a U.S. citizen. Not at the time the visa appointment is done, but at the time the application went in. The second group of people are going to be quota people, unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. They're quota applicants. So as quota applicants, they get put on a waiting list, and that waiting list is about 6 years. So it's going to be basically, think about it as one group of people are on the highway and the other group of people are on a dirt path that's very bumpy, very slow.
And there's nothing we can do to get that adult kid here, nothing like that.
All
Okay.
right. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.